Hello everyone, today we have an unboxing in the car because I ordered a pair of dress pants for my son from Topman and it just came in the mail and I can't wait to go. I actually have someplace to be, but I wanted to open it and see what they look like. They were a really great deal. I got these for $40 from Topman.com and oh, they're beautiful. They were originally 130 pounds. Oh boy. They have it sealed shut nice and tight here. Well, this is pretty much what they look like. They are black tuxedo pants, but they have this floral print along the stripe with a little bit of burgundy and hints of gold in it. If you can see it. When I go inside, I'll open the plastic and show the actual fabric, but they look amazing. They really, really, really look good. I believe my son likes them.